Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Expedition. Stock number is A7534. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps as well as the easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels, those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating. You do have dual rear-facing entertainment centers in the headrest, and you have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back, rear backup sensors and camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of a button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Expedition on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.